How to download and install Remitly on a device. Downloading Remitly is quick and easy, and all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. So first thing first, open Google Play Store on a device. Now here on bottom of your screen you will find the search option, so tap on it and then tap on the search box located on top of your screen. So here simply search for Remitly, Remitly. So type Remitly and then search for it. So once you do that, here you will see this app Remitly by Remitly. So simply tap on it and then tap on install. So once you do that, within few seconds, depending upon the internet speed, Remitly will be successfully downloaded on a device. And once downloaded, you will see the option of open here. So simply tap on it. It will show me over your screen. So tap on open and you will be successfully able to use Remitly. So this is how you can download and install Remitly on a device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.